Our customers, they're more concerned with the service that we're providing and in the way that we're providing it, and trust us to make decisions based on the products that we're offering. So the RF code device has been a great asset for us as an MSP because it enables us to do more with less people. And it also enables us to maybe worry less about these kinds of things because of the dependability of the device. This is, and I keep telling you that this is better for the MSP than it is for the customer because in my book, the less that I have to interact with, the less people I have to use to deal with a situation, the better off I am. I can't make money otherwise. So for us, it's all about being able to identify problems, fix problems, and move on from the problems without having with minimal impact and without using minimal staff, minimal impact. And this has helped us immensely using less staff and providing better value to our customers.
I think a lot of people are probably going to be wondering why is he so talks so well of this product, but it's just because it's a no-brainer. I don't see how anybody would not want to put this product in their customer's IT closet. Just from a standpoint of technology's changing by the day. If you want to take care of your customer, you want to be as proactive as possible. And having the Sentry device is proactive. So, in my opinion, it's the next step in technology allowing us to take care of people. And if customer service is your end goal, this is something you got to have.